Hello students, good evening all of you. So here I am going to discuss some exceptional points and that means some exceptional reactions of the Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. Okay, so you know the Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. So benzene on reaction with alkyl halide in the presence of the anhydrous Lewis acid for suppose AlCl3. Here that a H plus replaced by the R plus alkylophile. Okay, nothing but alkylophile substitution reaction. Okay, so here in this case by donating non-bonding electrons of halogen to the vacant orbital of the aluminum, we will get the R plus carbocation. That means here alkyl carbocation, it is acting as alkylophile, and here X AlCl3 minus. Okay, so that is the scheme of the reaction. First generation of the alkylophile that attacks on the benzene, followed by removal of the proton. Of course, that is a alkylophile substitution reaction. Okay, so here in this case, for the alkylating of the benzene, we are using the alkali halide. So it is alkali halide is a alkylating agent. Okay, now here which alkylating agent is a more reactive? Okay, of course based on the carbocation stability we can say this one, tertiary alkali halides are more reactive. Okay, tertiary alkali halides are more reactive, and next year secondary alkali halides, and then primary alkali halides. Okay, based on the stability of the carbocation. Okay, so higher the stability of the carbocation, higher the rate of formation of the carbocation. So now here in this case, but I am taking here same alkyl group but different halide. Okay, so alkyl fluoride, alkyl chloride, bromide, iodide, among which is a more reactive in a Feldkraft alkylation reaction. Okay, here in this case we thought that alkylides are more reactive, but in this case alkyl fluorides are the more reactive. Why? Because this alkyl fluoride here, the fluorine is a donor atom. Okay, fluorine is a donor atom. For suppose here I am taking AlCl3. Here in this case, this is 2p orbital aluminum 3p orbital. There is a strong bond formation between the 2p orbital of the fluorine and 3p orbital of the that aluminum. Okay, now here for suppose if you take alkyl iodide, here AlCl3, here in this case it is a 3 actually here 3p orbital, but iodine that is a 5p orbital. So here the bond formation, the tendency to form a bond between the 5p orbital and 3p orbital is very less. That means here there is a weaker bond formation between these two. Okay, if actually here this halogen form a stronger bond with Lewis acid, there is a ready breaking of the this carbon halogen bond, then immediately we will get the carbocation. Okay, so here in this case that alkyl fluoride, that means fluorine readily form a complex that means bond with AlCl3. Okay, then the iodide, chloride, bromide. Okay, so that's where alkyl fluorides are more reactive. There is a ready formation of the bond between the fluorine and aluminum. Then here immediately this alkyl fluoride bond breaking takes place. So as a result, we'll get the alkyl carbocation readily. Okay, so in case of the alkyl fluorides, there is a ready formation of the alkyl carbocation. Okay, then add that, replace the H plus on the benzene. So here find that alkyl fluorides are more reactive. So here based on this one here, for suppose the major product of the given reaction is, here there is a fluorine group, there is a chlorine group. Here one equivalent of the benzene. Here first of all this fluorine combines with this Lewis acid. Okay, here 2p orbital of the fluorine, here 2p orbital of the boron. There is a strong bond formation. If this strong bond formation between fluorine and boron, here this bond becomes a weaker. So as a result, we will get this carbocation. That carbocation replace the H plus on the benzene. So the product is CH2, here CH2Cl. Okay. So finally in the product chlorine is present. So product is option A. Okay. That's it. So next one more reaction. The incorrect reaction is, here in this case benzene CH2Cl2. Of course it is a correct reaction. Okay, here 2 times alkyl substitution reaction. Okay, so here first time we will get this carbocation CH2 plus, that replace hydrogen on the benzene, benzyl chloride. Now here this one combines with the AlCl3. that gives a CH2 plus benzyl carbocation. Again, this one acting as a alkophile that can replace hydrogen. Okay, so you will get the biphenyl methane. Okay, so it is a correct reaction. By taking here 3 equivalents of the benzene, here CHCl3 chloroform, you will get the triphenyl methane. It is also correct reaction. So here in this case, triphenyl methane is the product. Next here, the benzene taking excess amount, and here CCl4. Here in this case, all 4 chlorines cannot be replaced by the benzene. Here only 3 times alkyl substitution takes place, because as in this case, in the place of 3 chlorines, here 3 phenyl rings are finally formed. But here in this case, 4 phenyl rings on the single carbon. Okay, 4 phenyl rings on the single carbon. This is actually unstable compound. Okay, because of the 4 phenyl rings here, very less. That means repulsions here. That's why it is less stable. That's why here in this case, this is the major product. Okay, so this reaction is also correct one. And next here, generally here in a Fieldcraft alkylation reaction, the nitrobenzene is not involved. Okay, so not only nitrobenzene, any benzene having electron withdrawing group is not involved. Okay, so here in this case, but OCH3 is the electron donating group. Of course, it is a withdrawing group, but here OCH3 donating group is there. So in this case, there is a reaction possible. Okay, there is a reaction possible. So that means here in this option D also correct reaction. Okay, so here in this case, sorry, I have given that one. So this is the correct reaction. The correct reactions is or. Okay, so I made this one as a more than one answer question. Here in this case, all options are the correct. All reactions are the correct. Nitrobenzene is not involved, but here OCH3 is a donating group. So it is ortho para directing group. CH3 plus alkyl attacks at the para position. It is a major product. Okay, that's it. And next one more question. Which of the following reaction is not proceed to form a products? Okay, here in this case, AlCl3 Lewis acid, this one combines with Lewis acid. As a result, we'll get this benzyl carbocation. Okay, now here in this case, benzyl, after formation of the benzyl carbocation, it is acting as a alkylophile, attacks at the para position of this chlorobenzene. Okay, so here this reaction is a feasible. Now here this reaction is not feasible, because in this case this bond is a very stronger bond. Okay, because this non-bonding electrons are involved in a resonance with the benzene, so that becomes a carbon fluorine double bond nature plus here pi bond, here in this case negative charge. Okay, so that single bond becomes a double bond, so that means it is a stronger bond. Okay, and here non-bonding electrons are involved in a delocalization, so it has a very less tendency to donate the electrons to AlCl3 Lewis acid, and here breaking of this bond also very less. Okay, it's a difficult actually breaking of this carbon fluorine bond. That's why this reaction is not possible. Okay, but here in this case, this chlorobenzene is involved in a Fieldcraft alkylation reaction on this chlorobenzene. Okay, but here halobenzene is not acting as a alkylating agent. Okay, halobenzene is not acting as a alkylating the benzene ring. Okay, so here in this case, but here benzyl chloride, benzyl carbocation is formed alkylophile that attacks on the benzene. Okay, that's it. Now here also in this case, vinyl chloride. Here vinyl chloride also not involved in a reactions. So here in this case, because by the resonance that single bond becomes a double bond, it means it is a very stronger bond. Okay, so again this reaction is also not possible. Okay, and next in this case chlorobenzene, and this is the allyl chloride. Here in this case, this chlorine can form a bond with Lewis acid, so as a result breaking of this bond we will get the carbocation CH, here CH2 plus. Okay, now here this is the alkylophile. This alkylophile can attack on the para position of this chlorobenzene. So here the product is this one Cl CH2 CH double bond CH2, para allyl chlorobenzene is the product. Okay, that's it. And next in this reaction, finally we will discuss this one. Identify the major product formed in each reactions. Okay, So here in this case, it is a Lewis acid. It is a Lewis acid. So it form a bond with chlorine, okay, because chlorine has a non-bonding electrons. So as a result, uh, by forming bond between the chlorine and aluminum, this bond becomes a very weaker. So there is a complete leaving of the cation. Complete leaving of the chlorine. So that produces a free cation. Now it is a primary by the methyl shift to CH3 here CH2 CH3 will get this stable cation. Now this cation acting as an alkophile that can replace the H plus alkophile. So finally the product is CH3 here CH3, this one CH2 CH3. So it's a tertiary pentyl benzene. Okay, product is tertiary pentyl benzene is the product. Okay, of course it is a neopentyl chloride. It's a neopentyl chloride. Okay, so neopentyl chloride in Feld-Kaufman alkylation reaction produce a tertiary pentyl benzene. It is formed by the rearrangement of the carbocation. It is initially formed. Now here, by taking FeCl3 or by taking SnCl4 or by taking ZnCl2, these are the weak Lewis acids. Okay, these are the weak Lewis acids cannot attract the non-bonding electrons effectively from the chlorine. So here there is no strong bond formation between the chlorine fluorine, here chlorine and tin, here chlorine and zinc. But in this case there is a strong bond formation between chlorine and aluminum. So then this bond becomes a very weaker, so it loses Cl minus completely. As a result, we'll get the free cation, so that readily attacks on the, by the rearrangement we will get the stable cation. Okay, next, but here in this case there is no strong bond formation with Lewis acid actually. Okay, so that's why here in this case there is no complete formation of the free cation CH3 CH2 that maintains some interactions with the here FaCl3 partially. Here in this case this one partial positive charge, here partial negative charge, here in this case here that partially that gains a partial positive charge actually. Okay, there is no complete breaking of the carbon chlorine, so this carbon has a some electrophilic nature. So here the benzene acting as nucleophile attacks on this electron deficient species. So here the major product is unrearranged product CH3 CH3 here CH3. That means here neopentyl benzene is the product. Neopentyl benzene is the major product of this reaction. Okay, by taking Lewis acid we can see a rearrangement. By taking weaker Lewis acid we could not see the rearrangement because this is not a complete bond, it is not a strong bond, so it's not a complete dissociation. But here this carbon has some electron deficiency, so acting as electrophile, the benzene attacks on this one here. Benzene is a nucleophile because of the pi electron density. So those are some exceptional reactions in Feld-Kaufman alkylation reactions. Okay, so for more videos which are very useful for JEE Advanced Exam 2020 that will be conducted on July 3rd, please subscribe my channel, like the video and share the videos to your friends. Thank you for watching.